everybody, it's me Heather from DIY Crafty Creator. Today we're going to be doing a super cute craft. It's with some really beautiful paper roses, and we're going to make this really pretty heart floral wreath and thinking of Valentine's Day. So here's what you're going to need for this project. Some construction paper to make the roses. You'll notice I have a book here. I grabbed this book from the dollar store. I thought it was cool because it's a romance book and Valentine's Day and everything. We're going to make some of the roses out of the print, like the book print paper. Also, I got this from the dollar store as well, just the heart wreath. We need our glue gun, scissors, some glue sticks, and a little bit of ribbon to hang it up. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to show you how to make our paper roses. Okay, wasn't that fun making all those paper roses? So we will probably need around 22 of these paper roses, the same size that I showed you how to make to fill this wreath. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start with one of the larger pink roses, and I'm gonna use my glue gun and just kind of glue it in. So instead of gluing on the rose, I'm gonna glue on to the metal here, wreath here. And that's how we'll start, at least. Okay, and then let's just keep going. No real rhyme or reason to how I'm putting these in there. I just want to make sure it looks full and that there's a variety of the colors next to each other, so it's not all bunched up with the same color. And just kind of move them around. These are not super fragile. They're pretty easy to work with without destroying them. So you can kind of see how it's looking so far. Just kind of squeeze them in there where they look good. Oh, it's looking so pretty. I'm loving it so far. Just taking some extra glue to everything on the back, reinforcing it here. Want it to be durable. All right, so far so good. Okay, get all your little glue webs out of there, and then we're gonna go ahead and hang it. So I chose this white ribbon, and I'm going to just put it through the metal loop on the back. We're going to tie a nice pretty bow, so we want to have extra ribbon. I like to cut them at an angle. And then you're probably going to want to glue the center of your ribbon to the center of the wire. That way everything stays centered. Push it on there. Okay, and at the top, I just tie a knot first. And then just a really pretty bow. Loop it through, pull the ends out, tighten it. This end I want a little more diagonal to it. These are not my sewing scissors. They are right here. Okay, adjust your bow until you're happy with it. Trim. And there we go. So, we've made our do-it-yourself paper flower Valentine's Day wall hanging. You can hang it on the wall. You can hang it on your front door as a heart wreath. And it's just a great little piece to decorate with. And now you know how to make some beautiful paper flowers, so you can always take that and make lots of other things. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you.